Hello, my dear friends. Already you watched in part 1 the break-even analysis and how to construct the break-even analysis chart to find out the break-even point. And in second video, part 2 of the break-even analysis, in that how to compute the break-even analysis point in terms of the unit, in terms of the sales, in terms of the percentage, the the income. So this break-even point is very useful to find out the no loss, no profit for that business. How to maximum calculate the maximum profit by using this break-even analysis chart. So we'll discuss in this video the maximum profit, how to get it in business, that part 3 video. Dear friend, in a business or industry enterprise, analysis of the three distinct factors are there, like a cost, volume, and profit. This general study measures profits corresponding to different levels. Whatever the levels, at that level, these are the outputs. And the study of the cost, volume, and profit relationship is frequently referred to as break-even analysis of that business. This technique in a business or tool is very useful, and this cost volume profit analysis can be used to determine the break-even point also. This level of operating activity at which the revenues of the all fixed costs and variable costs resulting in a zero profit. So this point where the no loss or no profit will be there. So that point we can find out by using this cost volume profit graph or the break-even analysis chart. So this break-even analysis is a tool that determines what it determines that level of the operations where total revenue cost, whatever the revenue cost is equal to total expenses or the cost required for the fixed variable or total cost. So when this revenue generated is equal to expenses, that means suppose 1000 is revenue generated and the total expenses till date for the manufacture of that product is 1000. In that case, there is no loss, no profit. So friend, that business is neither in loss nor in profit. So this is the break-even analysis, and that is the point where there is a no loss, no profit. That is called break-even point. This break-even analysis is a tool that determines what it tells related to information and obtained from the break-even analysis. Complicated budgeting control or the planning issue can be made easy to maximizing the profit. Our profit planning, we can do it through this break-even analysis, where the profit is started or not, or where is the profit, we are ahead of this break-even point or not, that we can calculate continuously by using this break-even analysis. And it's a very vital tool for financial planning and control. So this control of this business, and it will grow, it's growing or not, that will continuously we can analyze through using the break-even analysis. The accuracy of results will largely depend upon the reliability of the data and validity of assumptions on which the technique functions are there. The study of this relationship between the selling price and the sales volumes, whatever the data we are getting, that there is a this tool is useful to get the relationship between this one or the fixed cost, variable cost, and profit at the various levels of activity. In this video, we are going to see how they are affect on to how to maximize the profit. So for break-even analysis is an important tool that provide to management with useful information for managerial planning and decision making. But this analysis we are going to see here, this is the break-even analysis chart. On x-axis, the quantity produced or sold in tons, it is return. On y-axis, taken the revenue or cost in rupees that is in rupees or dollar we can take on y-axis. We can draw this fixed cost line here. We can draw the variable cost, that is the total cost line here, and the sale line from this is a linearly growth will be there for the sale line, and that line is drawn here. The intersection of this sale line and the total cost line, this point is nothing but the break-even point. And when we draw this perpendicular on this x-axis and y-axis, A point is the break-even point in units we can find out, and break-even point in the rupees we can find out here. And this is the profit here. Here we have to maximize the profit. How it can be maximized? This is BEP tool in the profit planning with the 4 ways: reducing the fixed cost, reducing the variable cost, increasing the sales in income or price, or increasing volume of sales. We'll see one by one. In reducing the fixed cost, see here, this is the line for the fixed cost previously drawn, and this is the line for the sale income, and this is the total cost line. When we decrease the fixed cost here from FC to FC dash, then this total cost line is again go below. We have to start from this point, and this is shown by the dotted line. So this line will intersect here, and previously that was intersected here. This intersection point is here, BEP is shifted from this point to this point. That will increase in incidence angle. Here as angle is increased, and automatically when decreasing the fixed cost means reducing the fixed cost, that will decrease with less quantity. We are getting the break-even point with the less cost of income. Automatically it will increase the profit here. You can see here the profit is increased here, and this distance between these two lines and distance between these two lines is more. The TC and the sales income line is more than the TC and the sales income. So automatically maximize the profit by using the reducing the fixed cost. Similar way, what we have to do, reducing the variable cost means what? This line which is drawn here is the variable cost, and then this VC is shifted below. This VC line is when shifted below that dotted line, and so what will happen? Then again that will be show here the TC. TC is there, that will be total cost, that will shifted from this point to this point, so that what will happen here again, this profit is again going to increase here. So reducing the variable cost and the fixed cost will get the profit, maximize the profit. And increasing the sales income, this is the line of the sales income, and this is the line of the total cost. The total cost line is same. When the sales income is increased, this line is come to the here dotted line. So this BEP is shifted to here. So here you can see this angle of incidence is less and this angle is incidence is more. So here profit is increased. This profit maximum we have got it by increasing the sales income or the sales volume. We can get the maximum profit. Dear friend, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and watch the videos